Hi everyone, it's your girl Sukie. In this video, I'm gonna explain 10, okay? 10 very common Chinese slangs that we use in daily life or on the internet. The last one is a relatively new one and it kinda confused me at first. So the first one is 放鸽子, 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 which can be translated into set up the pigeons or free the pigeons word by word. But in fact, it means rain check. For example, you have a date for dinner, but in the afternoon you get a WeChat message saying, "Oh, I'm sorry, but I won't be available tonight. Can we have dinner next time?" So 你被放鸽子了，你被放鸽子了，你被放鸽子了。You were stood up. And the second one is 达人，达人。达人, which means talented person, and you can add a certain talent before 达人 to describe that person. For instance, I'm very good at singing, and you can say Sukie 是唱歌达人 Sukie 是唱歌达人 which means Sukie is very good at singing. Okay, I'm definitely not a 唱歌达人 if you wonder, but I do enjoy singing. The third one is 蛋疼，蛋疼。蛋疼, which can be translated into testicles hurt or ball ache. It actually means helpless or the nagging sense or being bored or just like a pain in the ass. For example, your mom doesn't like the girl you are dating and you have to either leave her or upset your mom. Okay? And I can say 这太蛋疼了，这太蛋疼了，这太蛋疼了. Another example, 闲的蛋疼，闲的蛋疼。闲的蛋疼. It means extremely bored. Okay, a very good phrase to describe the quarantine life. The fourth one is 吃醋，吃醋，吃醋. Eat vinegar, which means feeling jealous, usually jealous of love or attention. For example, the girl you like goes out with another boy and you kind of feel very angry, very sad, anxious, all those mixed feelings, and that's called 你吃醋了，你吃醋了，你吃醋了. You are jealous. Okay? The fifth one is 说曹操，曹操到，说曹操，曹操到. This is actually a very popular phrase among, foreigners learning Chinese, and it means when you are talking about person, that person appears. For example, you're talking with your colleagues about how mean your boss is, and your boss suddenly appears right behind you. Ooh. The sixth one is 闷骚，闷骚，闷骚, which means someone appears to be gentle and quiet, but in fact he likes talking dirty and fooling around. So 闷骚男，闷骚男, nan means man or male. 闷骚男 is a kind of guys who seem to be very nice, like gentlemen, but in fact, once you know him better, you'll find out that he likes flirting or talking dirty jokes. You know the type. The seventh one is 腹黑，腹黑，腹黑, which can be translated into belly black. So it means someone appears to be very nice and very warm, but in fact very evil. Can you think of a movie character who is like 腹黑? Comment below, let me know, okay? The eighth one is 大姨妈，大姨妈，大姨妈. 大姨妈 originally means aunt, but nowadays it's used as euphemism and means the period or menstruation. So when a girl says 我大姨妈来了，我大姨妈来了，我大姨妈来了, it doesn't mean her aunt is here to visit her. If you want to go out with her, you may want to buy her a hot bubble tea with dates. Trust me. Number 9, 钻石王老五，钻石王老五，钻石王老五. So if a guy is called 钻石王老五, it means he's very rich and he's single. Okay, a love story between a very innocent, ordinary girl and a 钻石王老五 can always make a very popular TV drama. The last one is an abbreviation that actually I didn't get it at first. 爷青结，爷青结，爷青结. It's a relatively new one compared with the previous ones, and it's short for 爷的青春结束了。爷的青春结束了. 爷 means grandpa, grandfather, but it refers to I in slang, okay, I, and like a big boss. And 青春 is youth. 结束 well, should know it. It means over or end. So 爷青节 means my youth ends. For example, a celebrity you've been loving for 10 years got married. I can say 爷青节, which means the end of an era. The marriage indicates the end of your youth, okay? Or like when Harry Potter ends, you can say 爷青节. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I'll put everything below in the description. You can go and check it out. In the meantime, come hang with me on my Instagram and website to learn Chinese. My name is Sukie, and I'll see you next one. Bye!